Ben Mullins here with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. I'm standing in front of a 2023 Aviara 32. This one is blue navy exterior with the white accent with the tan interior. It is equipped with twin Ilmore 6 liters, which is 380 horse. This one does have the submersible swim platform there. Nice stadium seating here as we climb aboard. Great for watching fireworks here at Lake of the Ozarks, or when you're coving out and you don't want to be in the water, you can still be a part of the action here. Has some storage underneath these seats. Underneath this locker here is fender storage. Great easy access there. As we climb into the cockpit area, we have great L-shaped seating with the cool feel vinyl. Keeps you warm, keeps it from getting warm throughout the day in the sun. We have a nice wet bar area here. There will be a sink and storage underneath the countertop here. We will also have deep storage in here with a trash can over here. Built in and integrated is a cooler. So very nice feature there, easy access. Let's go up to the helm area here. Very well designed. The Italian design steering wheel here. You can see you get your vitals, you get touch screen for controlling lights, different features of the boat. Open up this easy access, walk down into the helm or the head unit area. Go up to the bow of the boat. Something to note is how spacious and large, but how deep this bow is. I am 6'2", and this comes well over my mid back here in the bow. So on this rough waters of Lake of the Ozarks, you can feel confident knowing your kids are deep inside of the bow rather than exposed. So again, Aviara 32, MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. You can call us at 573-606-3022. We look forward to working with you. Thank you.